everybody. Today we're doing hi. We're doing a video that I didn't plan. As you can see, we're like house dressed. I'm not wearing makeup. I didn't do my hair. Hi. We just wanted to unbox the new Pusheen. I'm not sure how that's the right pronunciation. The winter box. I have a little cold. But today it's rainy all day. Hi! I don't know if you can see the weather outside, and we're getting a little bored. So I said, let's do this video and let's open this box. So I have to be honest, while I open the plastic, I got this box for myself because I really like this little cat. But Elizabeth is the excuse that I use to get this kind of things, saying in my mind, oh, they're mostly toys, I'm gonna give them to Elizabeth. So this box, it's pretty expensive. It's like $45 quarterly, so for every season. But you can get it internationally, whatever you want. This is the winter edition, so you see it's a little Christmas tree. Let's open it. Cute, as you can see. I hope you can see. It's a Pusheen box. One thing at a time, Elizabeth. First we have, oh my god, this is so cute. Up, it means open. It's a Pusheen mini vacuum. I'm gonna put pictures of everything because I'm sure Elizabeth now doesn't let me get up. So it's a mini, wow, this is so cute. Wait, because I think the theme of this box is like baking, which is perfect for me when I find that out. Oh, I think you have to put batteries inside and then you turn it off and on. It's a little vacuum for the kitchen. No, this we cannot open. Oh my god, these are so cute. So these are cupcake liners with all the Pusheen all around it, and I love this color, this like Tiffany green or blue. Very cute. Elizabeth is unboxing on my plate. Cat, good job. So these are Pusheen measuring spoons. So 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, blah blah blah. Very nice, right? I love this box because the theme is baking and it's perfect for us. You like it? Next, oh wait, I had a little card that says what's inside, and the little card itself is so cute. Yeah, it has all the cats. Look, all the little cats. Cute. Yes. Here we have the little vinyl figurine that they put every box, and they're like limited edition, so you cannot find them anywhere. So I'm very excited. Let's open it. Wait. So it's a little Pusheen cupcake. Very cute. Very cute, right? Let me see. Wow. It says meow, 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 meow. Next, we have recipe cards. I feel like Elizabeth is gonna use this the most. I have my recipe books. That's where I write all of my recipes. But these are very cute. Look, there is a little Pusheen here. Wow, super cute. Next, we have little spatula, which actually I really need. No, we're not gonna open it now, okay? We're just gonna keep it in plastic. And it's gray and it has little Pusheen here. Okay, you wanna open it? I guess I can't keep anything in the plastic with it needs to go around. And I like that everything that they send in the box, it's like limited edition, so you can only get it through the box. Wait, I thought you want me to open this. It's very hard. Wait, let me use the scissors. Okay. Look, it's a spatula. Yes. You like it? Don't put it in your mouth. We have to clean it first. Next, what's this? What's this? Let's see. It's sweatshirt. Oh my god, this is nice. Clothing too. Oh my god, I'm gonna wear this all the time. It's Pusheen. It's this beautiful yellow orangey color, and it's like, I don't know what's the right word, it's like impressed. Pusheen that it's baking with a little chef hat. I'm gonna use this to go to work all the time. Oh my god. I'm gonna try it on later because now Elizabeth won't let me. Wow, I think we have 2 things left. We actually really needed this. I said the other day to Henry, my husband, and this is, I don't know how you call this. Pusheen, yeah, it says Pusheen box exclusive. It's like the thing when a pot is hot. How do you call this? Elizabeth, what's the English name of this? I don't know. Let's see if it says it. Protect your hand from heat with the cute pot holder. That's the name. Cute! And I love this color again. It's like Tiffany blue green, and it has Pusheen all over. We're gonna use everything that we found in this box. Last but not least, that Elizabeth already loves, is this cooling rack shaped like Pusheen. It's already open, Elizabeth. I can't open it more than this. Yeah, cooling rack. Beautiful! Everything is so nice. Let's try the sweater on. Let's take the scissors away from her. The box is empty. Elizabeth said, as you can see, she only wants to be here if she has something. I want to try the sweater on. We can't open those because you're going to destroy them. Cupcakes. Let's see how it looks. Very nice, as you can see, perfect with my home attire at the moment. Oh my god, I love it. You can see how Pusheen is like impressed in the sweater. Elizabeth is in the back trying to open that cupcake thing. This is so me. I think everything we got was so amazing. I'm so excited, especially because the theme of this box was baking, and I mean, I'm a baker, so it's more than perfect. It was just a little video. As you can see, we're really prepared for video. They didn't even put lights on. I'm using natural lighting. Oh, by the way, this is a new couch. We just got it Saturday. I hope you like it. It's big, it's gigantic, so I'm so happy, and it's very comfy. So Elizabeth doesn't really want to say bye. Elizabeth, say bye. Bye bye. No? Okay. She's busy playing. We can't open that. If you like more videos with me and Elizabeth, I'm gonna link some on this side. Thank you again. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Say bye. Elizabeth, say bye. Bye.